Hello everyone, welcome back. When I left off the last video, I had this piece all tacked together, and as you can see, I've got it all thoroughly welded, and I welded it on what was the back side. This is the side that can be seen. As you can see, I got plenty of good penetration, and not near as much material if I had tried to weld it from this side. So we'll get on with the process. It's all welded up. Now we gotta grind. And you've all watched me grind before, so we'll hurry this up, get it out of the way. That's what this video is about for the most part. Here I'm cooling it off a little bit from the heat generated from the grinding. I repositioned the piece, still on the back side, and grinding it down on the other side of the angle. And I've turned the piece over. This is the inside piece that can be seen. I'm going to see what I can get with this cutoff wheel, grinding wheel that I've used, and the corners are kind of rounded. Trying to get in here and working that 90-degree radius that the lip of the trunk folds over. But this piece can be seen, so I'm going to try to make it look nice. Did what I could with that grinder. Actually using a thin cutoff wheel, but I can get in there and work the bottom of it a little bit and just sneak it away. It's not exciting, but the finished product ends up looking nice. And after getting the grinding down to my satisfaction, as you recalled, I had scratched the height of this panel before I peeled off the old rusted pieces. So I'm taking a thin cutoff wheel. I'm going to follow the line here and cut that piece off. Before I had cut that inner brace out, I drilled an 1/8" hole in each end of it so I could put a cleco in it, and that would center the panel for me and the height. And now, as you can see, this is the inside lip that can be seen, all nice and cleaned up. And here's the back side. And it's quite a transformation from where we started at this video. Putting all those tacks in there, you just can't make them look pretty. You're just globbing metal here and there on top of other welds, trying to keep as much heat as possible out of the panel. I kind of look at it as a oil painting artist. The first thing they do is they slap a whole bunch of color on there in all sorts of weird ways and smear it around. And at the end, it comes out pretty. And that's kind of the way this is. You get enough weld in the right places, and then when you grind it all down, everything looks good. So here I'm putting the clecos back into place and getting ready for the next step. I had to call Tim and have him send me some pictures. This panel has a really pretty angled place in it where that brace goes in for the lock cylinder, but the brace didn't fit. So I've come to find out it's not supposed to be there. It was deformed from the wreck. So we'll take care of that next. Thanks for watching.